Have you ever been in an awkward spot where you're sending a client half a dozen links, your website, your social page, your portfolio, your contact form, and in the end, it feels like a scavenger hunt rather than an honest human connection? As a client, it's frustrating, and you're probably thinking like, man, I don't got the time for this, right? Well, today I want to show you a tool that simplifies the process, makes it easy for you to organize all important links in one place and engage your audiences in real time. I'll also show you how to level up using dynamic links and an AI-powered feature. What's good? It's your boy Uncle Jar, and this channel is for my 20-something homies, mastering skills, side hustles, and that bachelor life. Let's go. The tool we're going to be talking about today is none other than Linktree. And you might be asking yourself, what the hell is Linktree? Well, that's a good question, my friend. Linktree is an online tool that makes you organize all your spaces, your social media website, and all the other links that you would like to send to your clients or just put on your bio in one central hub. The power of Linktree is in its simplicity. People want quick, easy access to your content, services, or whatever the hell you're promoting. I don't gotta do research for me to find your contact form or your product. There's millions of other creators or businesses out there that can offer me the same services. So simplicity and saving time is key right here, and Linktree does just that. Now, here's an interesting part. Let's add some interactivity with the dynamic chat link. Traditionally, Linktree lets you link sites and your social platforms, but with the dynamic link, you can connect interactive features like a chatbot. I'm gonna let that sink in. Now, imagine this. Your visitors, your potential clients being able to chat with an AI straight from your Linktree. This means getting instant answers for your FAQs, getting personal recommendations, even getting support on how to book, all without leaving the page. Isn't that amazing? I think it is. Adding this feature is super easy. This personal assistant of yours, this personal AI of yours that's going to help you convert more of those leads into actual paying customers. All you have to do is on your dashboard, add a new link and select the chat feature, like displayed right here on the screen. Next up, let's talk about bundling. Think of Linktree not only as a hub for links, but also for sections that cater for different needs for your business. For example, if you're in e-commerce and you're selling a product, you might section your links or your categories into new arrivals, winter, spring, fall, FAQs, delivery, and stuff like that. If you're in the service business, you might have to include some FAQs. You might have to include a booking form. I think that is the right frame of mind when you're designing your Linktree page. Moving on. By building your links in this way, it makes it even more easier for your leads to actually find what they're looking for without endless scrolling. And if you're serving different niches or different customer personas, it's even easier for them to go exactly to what they are looking for. Now, let's get practical. Let's talk about embedding Linktree into your broader business strategy. For example, instead of you linking to your website when you're running an ad, you can link to your Linktree. That way, visitors get an overview of your business offerings and get instant access to the AI chat, which answers their questions, making it easier for them to trust your business and in turn turn into paying customers. Now, here's some ideas of some common places you can put your Linktree to see its effectiveness. Social media bios, email signatures, or even website footers are all great places to put your Linktree. That way, every visitor has one-click access to your resources and a 24/7 support feature with the chat. Now, let's look at some real-world examples. For example, as a retailer, you can use Linktree to organize your sales pages, your FAQs, and even an AI chart for style adverts. As a creator, you can use it for showcasing your portfolio, for bookings, or even quick access to your latest work, with the AI feature answering common questions about your business or about your work. And that's a wrap. With Linktree and a dynamic link, you're most definitely going to keep your audience engaged and streamlined in one place.